Hello friends, in this video we are going to see gate problem from the topic buoyancy. Let's start. As per the given question in GATE 2019 Mechanical Seat 1, question number 46 for 2 marks. A cube of side 100 mm is placed at the bottom of an empty container on one of its faces. The density of the material of the cube is 800 kg per meter cube. Liquid of density 1000 kg per meter cube, which seems to be water, is now poured into the container. The minimum height to which the liquid needs to be poured into the container for the cube to just lift up is dash millimeter. So you can see the diagram here. So cube means all the sides will be equal. So A is equal to 100. A is the side of the cube, 100 millimeter it is given here, and the cube is lying on its one of its faces, correct? And so this is the height of the water or liquid we have to pour into the container, and so that the cube can be lifted up. That is the question. So question is how much water you're going to pour into the container to lift up the cube, correct? So first of all, we'll write down the given data. So A is your 100, that is side of the cube, A equal to 100 mm, and density of the material, the density of the material of the cube is also important here. So rho m, I will use symbol rho m. It is given 800 kg per meter cube, and density of the liquid rho L is your 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay, the concept is very simple here. That is, the buoyancy force is always in the vertically upward direction, and the weight of the body is always in the vertically downward direction. So we have to just make these two forces equal, and we can get the known data. So buoyancy force will be always equal to the weight of the liquid displaced, correct? Weight of the liquid displaced. And H we have to find in millimeter, correct? So this is the complete given data. Diagram is here, you can see. You have to find this H value in millimeter. So concept is here. I will write down the concept. To just lift the block, from bottom, weight of the cube is equal to buoyancy force. So when the buoyancy force is just more than the weight of the cube will start lifting up. So the minimum height, correct? So the minimum height of the water can be found by equating this equation. Weight of the cube should be equal to the buoyancy force. And what is buoyancy force? It is weight of the liquid displaced always. Buoyancy force is always equal to weight of liquid displaced. Very important concept. Buoyancy force will be always equal to the weight of liquid displaced. Okay, so now we'll put the formula. So weight of the cube, weight equal to mg, always you know that weight equal to mg. And what is mass? Mass equal to density into volume. So we'll be using this formula for finding the weight. So weight of the cube, so density of the cube rho m material into g into volume of the cube, okay, equal to weight of liquid displaced. So density of the liquid into g into volume, that we can write area into h, height. Now we'll put the value. Density of the material is given in the question 800, correct? And g we can cancel definitely both sides. G is common, both sides we can cancel g, into volume of the cube. So volume of the cube is, so what is the side? Side is 100 mm. Please convert into meter. So it is 0.1 cube. equal to density of the liquid 1000 into area is a 0.1 whole square into h. So using this equation you can find the value of h, which is only one unknown data. So 800 into 0.1 cube, 1000 into 0.1 square into h. So out of this you will be getting h equal to 80 mm. First you will get in meter, then if you convert you will get h equal to 80 millimeter, and that is the final answer for this question. Correct? So that means what is the minimum height? 80 mm is the minimum height to which the liquids needs to be poured into the container for the cube to just lift up, and that is from the buoyancy concept. Weight of the cube should be equal to the buoyancy force. Okay, thank you.